Katie with Urban Evergreen Bee Sanctuary, a volunteer. Come join us as we visit Steve Wilcox, a benefactor from Olympia Boatworks, who generously donates spruce, fir, and cedar wood to help us build our hives, which you can buy from our website. Now come along and join us as we visit the old man at the mill.
Hi, I'm Steve Wilcox.
Hi, Steve Wilcox.
This is Olympia Boatwoods, small little business in Olympia. I'm providing this lumber because I like bees and I appreciate what Heather's doing, and I think more bees better for everybody.
Same old man living at the mill. The mill turns around with its own free will. One hand in the hopper and the other in the sack. Eight step forward and the things fall back. Down center now with its head all white. A lonesome day and a lonesome night. Well, I heard some pretty girl say in the cold all night and sleep next day. Same old man living at the mill. The mill turns around with its own free will. One hand in the hopper and the other in the sack. Let's step forward and the things fall back. Then said Arabian and she flew. If I was a young man, I'd have two. One for the knit and the other for the sew. And I'd have another string to my bow, bow, bow. Same old man living at the mill. The mill turns around with its own free will. One hand in the hopper and the other in the sack. Lady step forwards and the things fall